Another question that we get is when I'm an application user, when I use the RingCentral app, and that's what you see I've got open here right now, how can I forward my phone? Well, it's pretty simple way that I can forward the phone. I'm just going to come into my settings, call rules and voicemail, and notice it remembers the last person that I had. So let's say I forward it when I go to lunch to the same person every day. That makes this simple. I can just toggle it on, and now you see that it's on. I can quickly turn it off either by toggling here or hitting the turn off when I come back. Now, let's say I need to change the person I want to send it to. I can come here, click on that name, and now I can change who I am forwarding to. I can send it to Myra Jones now instead. Hit save. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave her alone for right now. But you notice it's going to ask me, do you really want to do it? Yeah, I want to discard that. And it goes back to remembering the person that I normally would forward my phone with, the last person that I forwarded my phone to. Now, there's also, besides the application, there's one other way that we can do this. So let's think about that, maybe you're out of the office and you've got a laptop that's like a personal laptop and you need to go in and forward your phone. You also can use the web browser at service.ringcentral.com, log into here, and I can get to these same settings, and I'm using the web browser instead of the application. So I would just come to settings, phone. It's the exact same process. Come down to phone, call rules and voicemail. It's exactly the same. Toggle it on. I get the same notification here. Toggle it off. I can choose the person I want to send it to. And this forwards my application as well while I'm on the road or wherever I might be. Hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more about forwarding the app.